This is Wisconsin Pick 3 Lottery winning number workout. And my name is Corey Lottery Man. I'm going to let my analyst Michael take over for right now. Let my analyst Michael take over. And I'll be back for the workout. Be back for the workout. So everybody have a good day, and we'll start this on the right note. Okay, as all. So this is how you do stuff in Wisconsin. Okay, so we just showed you that. Okay, and then like I showed you not too long ago with the 440 number. Okay, and here, since we're not on a screenshot, that means I will have to go to my laptop to show you anything. Lottery posts. You know, most people wanted to see it work out more than they just want to hear me talking anything. And that's what we're doing right now. We're doing a workout for Wisconsin. Okay, let's get on right to Wisconsin. And the workout here is basically using your analyze. We use analyze pairs of number, and this is on the pick 3 numbers. And we will just show you where we got the 440 from here. Okay. Ooh. So 440 was an evening number, and this is the proof of it. I would like to show you the proof of it. 440 right here, and the number that we seen right here was 440. And here we took the 40 out right here and put a 3. And did that actually happen? 440 right here, right? So we see 049, same number we was just talking about, and was that there? 409, right? So here it's the same exact number, but in a different way. You got to put your number in the right way to get your number. So let me see any other numbers that showed up. And this was December. It was December 29th. So, and then the 799 number. Let's see what we did with the 799 number. And we can basically get out of here. I have to be sure that 799 number. Oh, that was January the 25th. That's why. Oh, 25th. Huh? Sunday. Oh, Sunday, January the 5th. Oh, Sunday, January the 5th. Okay, that's why. Sunday, January 5th. That's right here, 799 was an evening number. Wisconsin, we do like the evening numbers in Wisconsin for some reason. And the number came out of this Wisconsin number. This was number beyond the, well, okay, so 796 or something. Let me see. It was 967 right here that came out like 4 days later. January the 9th. 967 came out in the evening number. I mean midday number. That was a midday number instead of, as you will see, your evening number. Okay, see any other? That was it. So those workouts do work out. You do like to have them in the same pattern when you play it, but that's what I was talking about, and that's a good way of playing your numbers. Thank you for coming to the Corey Lottery Man Show, and this is where we play pair. I just showed you the pair numbers, the sum, and these to me was like whole numbers that didn't show up. 798, 70. So you basically have four numbers. So the most important thing is play this number here, 799. That's the number that we showed. Because majority of the time, a lot of times, a repeat number shows right back up. And then you play 796, 798, 790, 798. So you play those five numbers for the whole week. And then here you will play if you were to play these numbers here, the original number is 440, you'll play that, and you'll play the numbers with it, 403, 405, 409, 401. And then you got to make sure you play your particular time. If you mostly like an evening person, you play evening time. You don't just change up. And so those numbers basically was evening numbers. Even though this number did come out in a pick 3 midday number. Okay, but that's if you can feel yourself, hey man, there's gonna be times you win, and there's gonna be times you lose. Thank you for coming to the Corey Lottery Man Show.
Uncle Dustin.
What?
What?
Okay.